Guys, till now we have covered this block scope variable, arrow function, template literals, destructuring, and till module we are completed already. And now today we will discuss about this symbol and iterator. Okay, so let's complete let's discuss about symbol first. After that we will go with the iterator and other. Okay, so if we talk about symbol, what do you understand from symbol in normal term? Shivan, Amrit,
Yes,
in
sir.
normal English, what do you understand from symbol?
Symbol, sir, means to represent something.
It's you can say in normal English, it's a kind of mark, am I right? Which will represent something, am I right? Symbol
Okay.
of you can say some party, some person, which will donate and represent that entity, am I right? This is a symbol, am I right
Yes.
or wrong? So for that, here in a means this symbol as in a English means it's to donate some specific thing and unique identity. Same thing applicable for the symbol definition here as well. So symbol is used here for a unique property inside a object. Okay, you can check this definition. The symbol is a primitive data type introduced in ES6. It is used to generate unique identifier for object property. Okay, identifier means with the help of that you can identify in a code. Make sense? Unlike string or number, symbols are guaranteed to be unique. It's a guaranteed symbol cannot be duplicated. It's a unique. Even if there is a description text is same. This is a you can say if you understand this concept very well, then you become a master of this symbol. Guarantee it cannot be duplicate even you are using the same value with a description of a symbol, but it's unique. Okay, and it's a primary identifier like another data type. It's a primary data type. Okay, primitive data type. There are two type of data type available in languages. In JavaScript it's also applicable primitive and non-primitive, or we can say primary and secondary. Makes sense? So by default, which is available in your language, that's called primitive. Means it's already available. But some means types, data types derived from primitive and fulfill the requirements like array and these another thing like map and set. Those are the non-primitive or secondary. Okay. So there are this is a use case. There are often used to create hidden or non-conflicting properties. If you want to create a hidden property or non-conflicting property, what is conflict? What is conflict? Could you answer me? What is conflict in normal English? Kapil,
Sir, conflict is basically a issue which can block our task. Means we can do no, we cannot do anything without solving that conflict. Means problem.
in normal English, I am saying there is a conflict between me and you.
Means
So
there
regarding your this performance, assume. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so means what is, could you elaborate this scenario which I gave to you? Conflict between you and me regarding performance. Okay, what is the mean of that?
It means that my performance is not up to the mark. So there is
No,
a
conflict is you are saying your performance is up to the mark. Am I right?
Mhm.
But I am not agree on that.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mhm.
So right now, if you are have some object, am I right? Let's say there is a two object. One is person and another one is, you can say, car. Am I right? So both have a name property. Assume. Am I right? If both have a name property, there is a conflict between property. No, this name. Am I right? Both have a name. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Then there is a conflict. Mean name is a conflicting. Okay. And while you are going with a large code base, okay, then we require some uniqueness or unique property of that object. Then this symbol come in a picture. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Any question or concern, guys? Chitindra.
No, sir.
And these are the use cases, unique object keys, preventing preventing name collisions. Collision uh, means from collision means there is a kind of accident. Means from front, if two things are force means with a force they are means forcing each another, pushing behind each another. This is called collisions. Okay. So if there is a multiple object in a library and you want to, this will happen. So to prevent that, those should be property with the help of unique property. This can be avoided. Okay. Meta programming with well-known symbols. Let's say because it's a hidden properties and you want to give a meaningful means some information or to a you can say your user or another program or whatever, means you want to don't disclose this information, but it's a high level information. Let's say meta, which is called metadata information, which is a metadata information is a information to know about the content or know about the context of that particular thing. Make sense or not? Like in a this browser there is a meta tag. With the help of that we will give a meaningful information which is not visible to the user but is meaningful for the browser itself. With the help of that he is able to, he or means your software or person is able to understand and work accordingly. Make sense? Okay. So how to create a symbol? So this is the way of creating a symbol. You can say each call to symbol create a new unique symbol. If you write this way with the description or without description, it will create a symbol. Okay. Even if you are able to see description is same and but if you check those are the unique. Let me show you. Symbol 2, mm, 2 is not defined. Let me copy let me comment this and Let me try to run here. Reveal and okay. Node. So it's a false. Okay. So any question or concern till now, guys? Good. If you are good, let's move to a symbol as a object keys. Let me comment this part and let's move to this. So right now, as we discuss in a theory part, symbol is you can use for your this. You can use for unique object properties. So right now you can say symbol can be used as a properties keys. There is a non enumerable and do not appear in a typical loop or object keys. Understand what is the purpose of these two lines or no? Guys, just be interactive, please. You understand what is the purpose of these two lines? No?
No, sir.
If
No, sir.
no, then let me explain you. To if you get the you can say iterate or you can say if you want to print the you can say keys or values of that keys, then this is a you can say non-numerator. It will not come in that. Even if you print the keys, if you want to get the keys of all the object keys, then this symbol will not display there, even in a looping itself. Make sense? It will not appear because it's a hidden. This make the perfect for internal private data. If you not aware, let's say private. What is mean of privacy or private? Can anyone explain what is private?
Sir, which is not publicly available.
You have your own right and it's a personal for you. You don't want to disclose with anyone. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing if we are saying it's a private and internal, that means it's not accessible anywhere. Am I right? This particular key symbol. Am I right? Value you can get that. Here you can check. Okay. Value you are able to get, but key you are not able to get. Make sense or not?
Yes, sir.
You can see. You can see what we did. We create a one symbol. Okay. And description of that symbol is ID. And we assign as a key to of that symbol to object, and we are with the help of that symbol, we are able to get the value of the property based on a key, but we are, when we will do this, means keys user, you are able to get another keys, but not symbol. Make sense? Let's say there is a phone property as well. Let's say this. Okay, assume you will get that as well, but you will not get a symbol property. Make sense or not?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you want to, you can say this get on property symbols. If you want to get you can say object symbol, then there is a method. With the help of that, you are able to get a symbol object. Okay, it's a symbol object. Make sense? Amrit, any question or concern? Guys,
No, sir.
Chitindra,
No, sir.
this is an important concept. That's why I am saying Shivani, Kapil.
No,
So means if it's a unique, right, then definitely something is need need to be maintained, which will take care of the uniqueness. Am I right or wrong?
yes, sir.
Let's say Chatindra means in our database or day-to-day life, means how we will means define the, you can say, uniqueness. For uniqueness, what you need to do, like our this, like our uniqueness. Let's say we have houses, am I right? And who will, how we will tell ki this is Chitindra house, Deepak house, this is Shivani house. How you will means define, or how will make sure this is a Deepak house or Chitindra house? Anyone can answer in a real life?
We can put an address,
Address, but you have some
house
registry, am I
number,
right?
right.
Registry. You have a registry, am I right?
Hmm.
And registry should be kept in a, you can say, some government official which will maintain, am I right? If there is a conflict, then they will help you to, with the help of registry officer or records, you are able to resolve the conflict. Am I right or wrong, Jitendra?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same thing is applicable here. Okay. So we have global symbol registry. Okay. Okay. So could you explain this, like with the help of a registry in our real life? Could you explain? Anyone try to explain this? Kapil,
Yes.
Kapil, do you want to try? Just theory. This is a theory part. Or Chitinder, you can also take that up. Just try. Anyone? Amrit. Amrit, you
Sir,
wanna try?
I'm not understanding that much, but we just created the two variable, then
No,
we
no,
compare the value.
no. Forget
Yeah.
about this programming. Just you can say you have a one house. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have a one house, and that's your house. Okay. No one
Okay.
can claim. Okay. So
Okay.
you will explain, means while you need to explain that example, okay, with the help in the context of this programming context. Makes sense? You can use any term, but you need to explain your house registry concept with this programming concept. Make you understand what I'm trying to say, and what is the question for you? You guys, you are
Mm,
understand what I'm trying to say? Question is clear, all of you or not?
yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Jitendra, question
Yes,
is clear.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Could you try to answer with the help of this correlate so that you can memorize the concept? Otherwise, you will forget. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you go with the ratification and just not understand the concept and try to just forcefully try to memorize the concept, no, it will not work. Okay. You need to correlate with something. Okay. Okay. Just go ahead. Try, Chatindra. Try
Mm,
one by one. No worries. Forget about anything. Just try.
we have created a symbol for the global registry, right? G1.
Okay.
Right. So this is a global useful for this is a symbol for the useful for the across the module means globally, right? So
Yes.
right. Yes, sir.
So here you are able to see this saying this is a create reuse a symbol from a global registry. Okay. So there is a, you can say we will coordinate with a, I will try to explain you. Let's say there is a, you can say registry form. Okay. Registry register in a your tehsil or government official have a register. Am I right?
Mm,
And you will purchase a land and create a new, you can say, house there. Am I right?
yes.
And register that house to a that particular register, government official register. Make sense?
Mm,
Then it's a register. Okay. But let's say someone going to claim and say, hey, this is my new house, which is already registered. This which is your house, like C Chatendra house. Okay. Vendra house. Okay. And Kapil is a, you can say, smart guy. He said means, hey, no. This is my house. Okay. So with the help of for key for this token, he will claim, hey guys, you just I have created this house and I need to register this. Okay. Kapil. Kapil is a, you can say, cunning guy. Okay. Kapil want to claim. Okay. But it's already mentioned or already registered with a this person, Chatindra. Am I right? So registry person say, hey, this is already registered, and they will share with the Kapil. Means they will reuse. Makes sense. The same symbol. Makes sense. They will not create new symbol. They will reuse existing symbol. Make sense or not?
yes, sir.
So that's why even you are create this 3 time, 4 time, but it will reuse the same symbol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's say this symbol. Here the place of this 2 or 3. Okay. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. And if you want to get the use the key for, there is a symbol for with the help of you need to pass the key which will create or use. And if you want to use the to retrieve the key of the global symbol, then for key for, there is a method called key for. With the help of that you can get the global symbol key. Any question or concern, guys, for this concept?
No, sir.
We you can say this part is donated to that only. Okay. So symbol dot iterator protocol. Okay. Symbol toString tags, custom tag for object prototype toString. Okay. And symbol species constructor override in derived class. If you guys have you heard about this derived class? This is similar to your subclass or child class. Okay. Subclass, child class, these are same meaning, derived class. What is child class or what is subclass? This is a previous lecture which we studied in a class. Could you answer this? What is subclass or child class? Anyone? I am
A
hoping you. Yes, yes.
subclass or a
Go ahead.
derived class, a class which use the function of the parent classes, some of the properties or functions from it parent class using the
How?
super function.
But how you will define the relationship? Means this is a subclass only. Is there any way to tell? Mean this is a
When
subclass.
it can be done when you see the syntax you get, because let's say I created a class called parent and I want to create a class child. So in class child, I use the extend functionality with interact with the class, which is a main class.
Means
Maybe
this
using
concept
syntax of
called
this.
inheritance. Am I right? With the help
Yes.
of inheritance, it will tell me this is a child class and this is a super class. Am I right? Or parent class. Am I right?
Yes.
Means this is a compulsory for child class to it from parent. Okay. Okay, Jitendra. Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
You understand this concept and memorize this concept. That's why
Yes.
I'm means saying that whatever you are learning earlier, that is repeating. Okay. If you know
Yes.
that very well, then you can understand. Okay.
Yes.
So it's giving an example. Let's say we have this one object, this. Okay. Iterable object and have two properties. One is this values which have a array. Am I right? This is the array. Okay.
Right.
And there is a, you can say we will use a symbol iterator, which is the example of this. Okay. And inside the symbol iterator, this is a, you can say, okay. Anyone can tell what is this? Anyone?
This is a loop.
Because we studied object. I am asking the this is a object, okay? Because it's a object, okay? This is a property, okay?
Hmm.
So what is this? What is this?
So this is a loop.
This is a loop, okay? Okay, if this is a loop, okay, let me tell you. Let me ask you something this way. Testing. Okay, what is this? Man, you guys are studied object, but you forget what is this. Means object can have a function as well as properties. Am I right? This is a property, this is a function. Make sense? So this is a way to define a function, and inside a function we are using this iterator, and iterator is, you can say, we are saying this is a index is 0, and we are this in a done, we are creating one object inside that, and we are creating our this iterator protocol, and we are creating our iterator object and printing the value of these values. Okay,
Yes, sir.
iteratable object we are creating with the help of this symbol iterator. This is beneficial for you guys to create your own iterator and in a next topic as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then this is another, you can say, this to this is a example of this. If you let me show you. So okay, sorry, there's a problem with, I think so, code one, invalid or expected. What is this? Custom tower object properties. Okay, I think so there is a problem. Let me do this, comment this and run. Output, what is saying? Okay, okay. Unexpected output console dot line number. Where is the error? To string code. I have commented that, but why is giving us a error? Okay, okay, makes sense. Makes sense, makes sense. Throw an error, module symbol.js. Okay, let me copy this and create a new file test.js. Paste that. Okay. So this is a actually there is a problem with my code, but it's fine. It's working fine. Okay. Okay, symbols, we are good there. Let me check this. Any question or concern regarding this, guys? Then if no, then we will go with this custom one with the help of this. Okay. So here he will create a one object called custom, and it's using this custom symbol, because as I told, as we learned, this is a inbuilt symbol, and we use symbol to create a unique property, define a unique property for the object we are using here with the inbuilt symbol, and we are creating one object with this custom symbol properties. And after that we are with the help of toString call, then it will show the value of this object. And hello guys, sorry, there is a network problem at my end.
Yes, sir.
Let me share my screen again. Guys, you have any question or concern till now?
No, no, sir. Okay.
We are discussing an important topic, symbol, and means we have covered till this. We are discussing about inbuilt symbol, and we are showing. I showed you a example how you are utilizing those. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if you are not any question or concern, then this is a last concept for symbol is a specious example. Okay, so you just anyone try to explain this, or try to explain this or grab this concept. I want your contribution, guys. Chitendra, you wanna explain? Try to explain this for me, please. Hello. अरे भाई.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. I was mute.
I am saying, could you help me? Could you help me to just go through this topic, because this is an important thing. Okay. Try to explain.
Sir, your screen is not visible. I think.
My screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Now my screen is visible.
Yes.
So this is a last symbol dot species example. So could you try to explain what is the meaning of this from theory part in your own way? Don't forget about anything you know or no don't know. Based on this, could you try to explain, Chitendra?
Mm, simple. Uh, Symbol will control the constructor to use for the method like the map, filter, etc. are called the names. Symbols. This one?
Yes. These till this to this. You need to try to explain. Okay. So with the help of this, if you will try, then you will revise these concepts like constructor, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Subclass, object, am I right?
Hmm.
Array. Okay. Just try to explain. Or means Amrit and Kapil can also help you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead, guys.
So basically, symbol is control the construction to use the method like map and filter, right, and subclass object, and it is return. Also return the normal value of array, right? By restraint, but return to the right. So array will be right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Amrit, could you explain me this class or this is a concept of class? Am I right? Could you tell me what is the purpose of this class and mm, means who is a child class, who is a parent class, and what is this and what is this stuff like that? Could you help me to understand?
Okay. Let's tell you how much I know. First we have a parent class with the name of array. Then we have a subclass myArray, which is linked with the parent class array. So then we use a static method which is only used in their own class. It cannot be used. It is a block function. It cannot be used out of a class. So then use a get simple or special.
Okay.
I don't have a proper understanding of get special simple special, but static means only used in the class which we define in. It cannot be used outside it of it. Whatever we define in it, static.
No, this is not a private. This is a static. Static means it's a class level variable. It's available for all the object of the class. Make sense?
Okay.
That's a yes. Sir.
Private is available for class only, but it's a global scope. And let's say you have a BTech first year class. Am I right? Name is
Mhm.
means if someone say ask you, hey, Amrit, let's say you are means we all are a BTech first year student. Am I right? Then if someone asks you, hey, which year you have, we all answer first means BTech first year. Am I right? And
Mhm.
but our properties are different. Like my name is different, your name is different. So this class class means this name, class name is dedicated to a particular this applicable for all of us. Makes sense? Which is defined at a class level. Makes sense? And which is applicable for only child, specify the child, those called instance properties. Okay. Make sense? Guys? No? Could I explain the class again, or you are good with the class? If you not understand, then I will remind you again like this. Class, my, let's say class parent, okay. And these are the, you can say some properties static, just one, okay. And let's say this, I am a parent, okay. And here you have some properties called name, age, okay. And if child have, we will create a child or object instance of that class. Let's say let p1 is equal to new parent, okay. P1 dot name Deepak, and p2 dot p1 dot age is equal to 25, okay. But if I try to do this, p1 dot test1, it's not applicable. It's available with the, you can access this with the help of class name, parent test1, okay. So this is a, means it's available for the class level, it's available for the instance level. Make sense, guys? Okay,
Sir.
so this is an example or reminder for class, okay. So whatever, let me explain you. It's create a one object, and property name is our symbol species. And what we are going to do, we are going to create a object of for this class with the help of this, and you can say pass some, because it's extended from array. Because it's inherit from array. So we will pass some value and create a array. Okay. So here what we will do, so it will mapped. It's use a map function, which we will move forward and learn this when we discuss a built-in function. Okay. So it's iterating each and every item of the, you can say, array, and check the condition. If condition is, you can say, true, then it will give a new this, okay, array. So it's you are checking this, okay. If you check means this is a instance of my array, it's returning false, okay. And if you are checking this is the instance of array, it's returning true. Let's check this. True or false. But in normal term, let's say we will use this, okay. let's say we will not using this. Let's say we are using this without specious symbol. Okay. Let's say we are using this. It's a test or yes, test. Okay. Static get test. Now, what we will check. Let's check this. Array 1. Okay. And let me create a object of at the place of this. Let me check this. Array 1, array 1. Okay. And mapped 1 and array 1. Okay. Now at the place of mapped 1, array 1 and mapped 1, mapped 1. Okay. Yes. You are able to see without this symbol, it's returning true. But when we are using symbol, then it's returning false. Make sense? So with the help of this example, you can understand this very well. Specious control, which constructor is used when method like map, right now we're using map, you can use filter, other, which you can say constructor is called child one or parent one. So here it's referring the parent one only, not child one. Make sense? So with the help of that, we have a much control. Any question or concern, guys?
No, sir.
Jitendra. So
Not
these
yet,
are
sir.
the summary of these. Create unique values for say properties keys. Share the symbol by a global registry. Okay, with the help of this method. Okay, and use symbol to define internal or hidden properties. Well-known symbol let you customize your JavaScript behavior. You can, with the help of this, you can change the behavior of JavaScript. Okay, because which I showed you. And burst for meta programming libraries and robust encapsulation. This is a concept of hoops. Till now we not cover this, but this is a hoops concept like inheritance and this. I think so. Do we need to cover? Are you okay with the symbol, or we need to cover the iterator as well? That is your call. Jitendra,
Yes, sir.
we need to cover iterator as well, or we are good with the symbol for today? It's today.
Yes, symbol is okay first. Okay. Amritpal, what's your opinion?
Also, we're good with symbol. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Kapil, have you stopped the recording?
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.